Hello viewers, welcome to Excel formula tips. In this video I will show you how you can calculate the time difference in Excel. So here you can see the day of the week, and here is the starting time, and here is the ending time of the employee. So here I will calculate the hours worked in a day by formula. So for formula, we have to start with equal symbol, then we press on open bracket and then click on end time, then subtract and then click on start time and then closing bracket. Press on closing bracket and multiply this value by 24 and then press enter button. So here you can see the value is in time format 12 a.m. So now we will convert this in a number format. So for this we press from keyboard Control Shift and exclamatory symbol. So then you can see it will convert in a number format. Then we just copy this by this way. So you can see it already the formula already applied the rest of the cells, and you can see here in Wednesday it starts from 1:40 p.m. and end in 1:40. That means the employee didn't work in that day. So if you change here like 5 5 p.m., then you can see it automatically changed here. So if you want to sum of the working hours, then just press here the equal symbol and then control enter. Then you can see the total hours calculated here. So this is a short tips. You can do this very simply, and you do not need to calculate how many hours one employee worked on Sunday or Monday. So you just change here like 11:30, like 11:35. So it will automatically calculate it here. The employee worked 12 hour 25 minutes, and also you can change here any time difference. So that's all today. Thank you.